we are now in I'm now in Suri in PAI. So it's a low tide, and look at the water is kind of receded from that to that. So still low tide, and it's amazing. It's so far from the shore. So, but it's fun. Of course, the water is still cold, and it's kind of windy. Oh. So this is Suri in PI. So we just went uh, to the beach. On the other side is the Singing Sands also. So it's part of the east coast of Prince Edward Island.